Great. You called out like that.
He ain't scared none of these guys.
What?
He ain't scared of these.
Why is he not doing it?
Okay, he's scared of that one. That phone inside right. Come on, man, you gotta lift that up.
Lift it up, lift it up.
There you go, come on. I'm gonna tighten up, man.
Got it, Chris. Come on, Derek. Come on, Derek. I want you the other way. Hold on, Chris. Let me help you. Hi, Chris. You gonna do some push-ups? No. Say hi, Nana. I'm gonna show my kids and stuff. They think we don't be doing nothing. Hell yeah. So they can see. Yes, you can, but I don't cuss. Yeah. You just show, yeah. This is the loader. This is where we load the freight and bring it on the plane. This is the entrance of the cargo space on the plane. That's Brother Chris down there. Say what's up, Will.